Semiconductors are the unsung heroes of the digital age. These tiny chips power everything from our smartphones to our cars. They are the brains behind the screens and the engines that drive innovation. As our reliance on technology grows, so too does the demand for more powerful and efficient semiconductors. But making these chips is a complex and challenging process. It requires incredible precision and control at a microscopic level. The slightest error can render a chip useless. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes into play. AI is rapidly transforming the way we design, manufacture, and use semiconductors. AI is proving to be a game changer in semiconductor manufacturing. This powerful technology offers a range of benefits that are revolutionizing the industry. AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of data generated during the manufacturing process. This allows for real-time optimization, leading to significant improvements in efficiency and performance. One of the key advantages of AI is its ability to improve yield. By identifying and correcting potential defects early on, AI can help minimize waste and increase the number of usable chips produced. This translates into significant cost savings for manufacturers. AI also helps reduce costs by optimizing resource allocation and streamlining production processes. Furthermore, AI accelerates innovation. AI algorithms can quickly analyze and test different design parameters. This speeds up the development of new chip architectures and brings cutting-edge products to market faster. AI also enhances quality control by detecting even the smallest imperfections that may escape human observation. This ensures that only the highest quality chips make it to consumers. While the potential of AI in semiconductor manufacturing is immense, there are also challenges and considerations that must be addressed. One significant concern is data privacy. AI algorithms rely on vast amounts of data to learn and make accurate predictions. Protecting the confidentiality of this data is crucial, especially when it comes to sensitive information related to chip design and manufacturing processes. Another challenge is the technical complexity of implementing AI solutions in highly sophisticated manufacturing environments. Integrating AI systems with existing infrastructure can be a daunting task.